Hello guys, welcome back to my new series, Late Night Snacks, and today we'll be making box pancakes. In this recipe, you'll be making one serving for yourself, and it makes about like 6-7 pancakes. And with half a cup, you will pour your box pancake mix in. And in 1/4 cup, you would pour your milk in, and then 1 egg. Next, grab whatever mixing utensil you have and mix away. Turn your stove to medium heat and let your pan sit there for a couple minutes, your non-stick pan, and then pour your batter in. Make sure it forms a perfect circle, make sure you don't move it around too much to make it perfect. And then after the bubbles form, you can flip the pancake over, like so. Here is a time lapse of how your pancake should look over time once it's heated. More and more bubbles should form, and some bubbles will rise to the surface and pop. This is just a mini clip of me making a really big pancake and flipping it over. But yeah, that's it, and after you're done, put some syrup or any kind of toppings you like and enjoy! Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.